You would think you could design a single job Elementor template for WP Job Manager from the get-go. That's actually what most AIs like ChatGPT will tell you. And here's how that goes. You open up Elementor Theme Builder, add single post, wait for the screen to load. There it is. Now you open up the gear menu up here and open the drop-down for the preview settings and look for job as an option. What do you need the preview setting for? Well, creating a single post template means you exchange the standard WP Job Manager template, this, with your own version, like this for example. That's my demo job post site. For this you need example data in your editor, so if you add a title, it makes sure you see a title of your own job postings, and for this you need the preview settings. But what's this? I would expect there to be a job as an option. And while we're at it, we also need the job option in the display conditions over here. This is what ultimately exchanges this for this. We will get to that later. For now, we find it's missing. So we have Elementor Pro. We have WP Job Manager. What's going on? While WP Job Manager's job listings are public custom post types, they do not appear in Elementor's theme builder because they're registered through WP Job Manager's own custom registration system, rather than WordPress's standard post type registration. Funny that actually, seeing that WordPress's own company, Automatic, publishes this WP Job Manager plugin we're talking about. But well, anyways, there's now a free plugin on the repository that bridges this gap by explicitly registering the job listings post type with Elementor's template system. This new plugin is free and has no premium version. There's no upsell here, just pure function. Let's dive right in. After we've installed and activated the dynamic WPJM tags for Elementor plugin through the WordPress backend, we again open Theme Builder in Elementor, click Add Single Post, click the gear icon, and there it is, Job as an option. We choose Job, we search for a job posting, we click Apply, and there it is, folks. We transported the data from here, the backend of a job listing, to here, the Elementor editor. And don't worry, I'll go into detail about each data field in a minute or so. Now, we open display conditions, and let's make this easy. We just choose job. This makes it so that this template will hopefully exchange the standard WPJM template that most don't want to use. We click Save and go to the front end. Remember this? The standard template for WP Job Manager. We click Refresh in our browser, and there it is, our new template. Now let's go back into the Elementor editor to see how this was accomplished. The job title is the easiest. For this you can just use the standard post title widget, and all its styling options are already included. You can, of course, load the title into any widget you like. You do this with the dynamic tag. Let's go crazy here and say we kind of misuse the button widget to display our job title. Place the button, click on Dynamic Tag, choose Post Title, and that's it. From here on out, normally it would have gotten a lot more difficult. Let's scroll down to the job descriptions to see what I mean. You'd think this comes straight from the content field, aptly named the_content as its field name in the backend. So let's try this out. Post content, click. Let's save this and take a look at the front end. But what's that? That looks like a bare-bone version of the old WPJM template. And indeed it is. So, post content just shows the standard template. In comes the dynamic WPJM tags for Elementor plugin we just installed. Let's go into the dynamic tag list again and scroll way down. There's a new group called WPJM metadata, and it has a job description option. We click on that, and now it really does show just what's in the rich text editor in the backend. Great! On to the next item, job categories. As you can imagine, those wouldn't even show up in the dynamic tag or any category widget before. Now, you just choose the new Job Categories tag and it's all there, including the link option. Let's do another one, the posted date. Now, as some of you have pointed out, you actually don't need the new plugin. You could just register WPJM via functions.php and just use meta keys. And you would be right in theory. Let's try that out. We choose Custom Field, enter the right meta key, and oh, well, that's no good. I mean, yes, you could walk over to functions.php and fix that too, and do that for every single metadata in WP Job Manager, or you choose this posted date tag. It has all the default options you would expect. You can even let it count days. Neat. And you can put this in a button, a title widget, an icons list, icon box, or whatever really cool widget you got from one of the many excellent widget packs for Elementor out there, many of which are totally free. So there you have it. WP Job Manager plus Elementor Pro plus dynamic WPJM tags. A perfect combo. No need for guesswork, no meta key headaches, and best of all, no regrets when you realize you just spent hours hacking away at functions.php for something that was already available for free.